We'll make him suffer for a bit. Hello, Eli. We are on the second page, 12 through 26, I think. This is all finding antiderivatives. The first one should be easy. Do all these and then check.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Did you get number 12 done?
Yes.
Yes.
Antiderivative.
1 over n plus
So
1
plus 1, so this would be 2 over 3 x cubed. Plus 1 half x squared.
Yeah, I did that wrong.
Minus 1 x.
Minus 1x.
Plus c.
I remembered my c, I just didn't do the antiderivative,
Yep.
right?
Yep. Okay, 13. What's strategy for 13?
Distribute.
Yeah, this guy x plus 5 squared. X squared plus 10x plus 25.
That's from my
Then x to the fourth plus 10x cubed plus 25x squared. No, I'm not.
So this is
Hit done. Or whatever it is.
it's
Cancel.
1 over 5
fun to weed.
x
Yeah.
to the fifth
Kinda what's your
plus 10
password?
over 4
Mine?
x
Oh, BEK
plus...
EK.
07 06 13.
That's really icky, isn't it?
Is that your birthday?
No, that's my anniversary.
06?
13
Oh, yeah,
13.
That wouldn't be. Okay. There's no done here. Where? Oh, on another
Just pick cancel or something. Cancel at the bottom.
one. Oh, cancel. There we go.
Okay, he is all done? Now,
1/5
1/5 x to the fifth
plus
plus
10 over 4 x to the fourth
10 over 4 x to the fourth.
plus 25 over 3 x to the third
Ooh.
Oh, wait. Can you scoot over a little bit?
X to the third plus
Where'd
c.
my dork pen go?
If you broke what down?
Like if you, like the
5 over 2?
yeah.
plus...
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, that.
Yep. That's fine.
Oh, what is it?
Do I have to do that?
2/3.
Dylan, what does it matter? We're
X
not taking the
cubed
final
plus
one
1/2
thing.
What she checks this and was like, that's wrong.
And we kind of need to know this if we pass, if we don't get placed in calculus next year. Damn.
Exactly.
Okay, let's.
Ugh.
Yeah, that's right. We get number 14.
Okay, 14. Now what?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Can we move x squared to the top?
Kind of. And he becomes x to the minus 2, right?
X
But then you have to distribute him through. Whoop.
distribute him. I forgot about
Right?
that.
So, what's x to the fifth over x squared? X to the third minus
X to the third minus
6x. And then this plus 1.
Over 2.
That's just 1 over x squared. But I'm going to move him to the top so he is x to the minus 2 power.
X to the minus 2.
Right? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
What
dx.
are you looking for on 16? Wait, that's it? Well, you have to finish that, right?
This guy helps you find C.
Finish it, Jody. Like what?
This guy helps you find C.
Well, what's the prime? That's prime.
That means the derivative of something is negative 2x. I want to go back to the original.
Okay.
Okay. 1
I
fourth
think I did that
x
right.
to the fourth minus 6 over 2, which is 3.
3x squared
3x squared minus
1.
1 over 1 x to the negative 1. Boo.
So
So
that's just negative 1.
1 fourth
So it's
x
just
to the fourth
1
minus
over
3x squared minus 1 over x plus c. Yep. Beautiful,
That'd be
beautiful.
Negative 1. Plus 1. Hey, that is what I have. So negative x.
Okay. How do we do this next thing?
That's negative cosine x minus.
This is
5.
negative cosine? The antiderivative of sine is negative
Well,
cosine?
I didn't actually look at it. It's just from my brain, so maybe.
Yes. Negative cosine x. Yep.
You have
Yep.
a good brain, Reese.
Minus 5. What's the antiderivative of secant squared?
Isn't it tangent?
Yes.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness,
I
you
did
guys
that
are
for my
good.
brain too.
Yep. And then
Let's see.
plus c.
And then plus
That's all. Yeah, that was
It's
nice.
not even on here. Sine is negative cosine.
Yep. 16. Find the particular solution of the differential equation. So here we have the derivative of something. That's why it's f prime. The derivative of something is negative 2x. I want to go back to the original. So how do we go back to the original?
the antiderivative.
Antiderivative, yeah. So I'm going to take the antiderivative of the derivative to get back to the original, right? I want to take the antiderivative of negative 2x, and I want the particular solution that passes through negative 1, 1. What does that mean?
We plug that in at the end.
To find?
R y.
Nope. Nope.
To find
This
the-
is X, this is X, this is Y. That helps me find C.
Okay, so
-2/.
this is 1. So 2. So that's just, isn't it still just negative x
-x², right?
squared?
Yeah. Negative X squared plus C equals Y. Plug it in.
Bro, I can't.
Oh, that was,
Okay, so then plug it in. This
You wanna
is
plug it in
negative
or no?
1 equals
What?
negative. No,
That was
that's
pointless.
positive 1.
no, no.
That's
Yeah.
1. It's 0, isn't it?
No, it's 2. Isn't it?
Freaking negative.
It's 2. I know, I was the same way.
But
I thought it was
negative
0.
1 squared.
Okay,
Oh,
but
it's 1.
the negative out front here, negative 1
It's out
squared,
front?
and then this negative is out front.
Oh, there's another negative. Okay,
Yep,
gotcha.
yep, yep, yep.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yep. So this
So
is
then it's 2.
negative 1 whoop,
X
equals 1 plus C.
-x².
C equals 2.
20.
Y
That's
equals negative X squared plus 2. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
17. Okay, this is a definite integral
I like
now.
nice.
Yeah.
That minus
I don't like the cubic root though.
18.
X to the 1/3. Okay, adding
So-
1 would be 4/3. So
3/4.
3/4 X
3/4 x
to the 4/3 plus
plus 1 x.
4/3 plus 1x.
Yeah.
Going from 1 to 8.
Hey, where'd my map go?
We don't know. You got 2 mats over here, darling.
Where's the silver one?
You
Oh,
keep
the
taking
silver
all my
one's
mats.
over. I did take maps.
Yep. You
Okay,
did.
so then plug that in.
Okay, 3/4
3/4
times 8 to the 4/3 plus 1 times 8.
Minus
Oh, the M&M's coming. Nice snack.
Sure.
fourths.
3/4 times 1 to the 4/3. Oop.
That's just 1. 1
Plus
to the
1
4/3
times
is
1.
1, so this is just 3/4, right?
3/4 plus 1? Yeah.
Plus 1.
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
it,
yeah. So this guy will just be 3/4. This guy will be 1. So minus 1 and 3/4 because the minus from there.
Yep.
Now this thing.
This is 8.
This is 2, and 2 to the 4th power is 16, and 3/4 of 16 is 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So 20 minus 1 1/3 is 18 and 1/4. I did not say that right. 1 and 3/4, not 1 1/3. Blah. 18
I
and
know
a
what you
4th.
meant.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
got semi in my head.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, 18.
I don't wanna
Sketch the
sketch.
graph of the region. How do I sketch x plus 4?
I don't
Just,
know.
you one intercept of 4, and then you go.
This is like y equals x plus 4, right? I start at 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go
1, 2,
up
3,
1 over 1,
4.
up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, blah, blah, blah from there. Right? That's what that graph looks like. But I want to sketch the region from what to what? 0 to 2. So my region is going to look something like this. And that is
0.
that.
To,
So that's 4, 2 plus 8.
so it's just going to be this.
So that's all we do is sketch?
Yep, and then find the area.
Okay.
10.
So, do you want to do it by like geometric figures, or do you want to do the area by antiderivative?
Antiderivative.
Okay, so this guy is
1/2.
Now geometry. You
1/2
gotta-
x squared plus 4x. Yeah, now that we have calculus, who needs geometry anymore, right?
Zero.
And the really nice thing is 0. Bloop. We don't need 0, right? Because it's going to go away.
Yeah.
So
1/2
1/2 times 2 squared
Is
plus
just
4 times 2. Yep,
You
2
bet.
squared is 4, and half of 4 is 2. So 2 plus 8 is 10.
These left endpoints of 4
10.
rectangles.
So 10.
10.
Area
Live,
is
laugh,
10.
love. What are we doing tomorrow?
4.
Turning in,
Yeah, wait,
turning in
go back
books
to
and stuff
17
because
something.
I'm gone on Monday.
That's right.
Then we can go back to up to 17.
Monday, Thursday. I hate these triangle rectangle
I know,
things.
these silly things.
Really pretty colors.
Left endpoints,
Wait. Okay.
and we're going from 0 to 8.
From 0 to
Do you see
8.
where 0's at, and you see where 8's at? Blue. And we're doing 4 rectangles. Okay, so we want
they're each-
left
they're
endpoints.
They're each 2.
left
big.
endpoints.
Those are
I
gonna be big little
know. Those are going to be big little rectangles. Here's this guy. That's my left guy. And then here's another left guy. And here's another left guy. And here's another left guy. So, overestimate or underestimate for left?
Under.
Under. I'm going to circle under. Okay. All right. Now, each one has a base of 2, so I'm going to pull that 2 out front, right? Like base times height. Now I just have to do all the heights added together. Okay, what's the height of the first one?
Wait, wouldn't it be 2? Oh, yeah, 2.
Yep, yep.
But you said
The height of the first one is 3 because we plug 0 in, we get 3, right? So the height of the first one is 3. All right, now, what are you going to plug in to find the height of the second one?
2.
2.
Square root of 2 plus 3 is
Yep.
then yucky.
Square root of 2 plus 3 is going to be gross. You're going to get a decimal.
I don't know.
2.
4.41.
4.41. 4.41. Okay, next. Square root of 4 plus 2, or plus square root of 4 plus 3 is 5.
Yeah.
So he hits at 5 perfectly. And the last one is the square root of 6 plus 3. Gross.
5.45.
5.45. Perfect.
Square root of
Square root of 6 plus 3.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
So, this is 8, and this is 9.86. So, 17.86 times 2, which is, I don't know,
5 plus 35.79.
Wait, why do we take it times 2?
35.72.
Yeah.
Because you're 2 in the front.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
your 2,
Yeah, we didn't do that
our
yet.
2 is our base. Yep.
That was
What's
dumb.
35.72.
Okay.
Yeah, we just
Now I have
do
to
the
do the
same
right.
thing, but then
Same
we
thing,
just
but the right
don't, we
ones.
don't want 3, we want whatever
Yep.
the square root of 8 is.
Yep.
Square root of 8 plus 3, 5.82.
So we have 4.41.
Okay, so we have 2.
So our first rectangle is 4.41, second one's 5, third one is 5.45, and then the fourth one is whatever that is. Ugh.
So, 4.41
What does your shirt say?
That really chaps my, and
What
then
was the
ask me
last
where to
thing
get
you
some.
5.83.
It's my lady that makes chaps.
Nice,
Shirt, little t-shirt things.
nice.
Yeah,
Huh.
it's interesting.
Oh,
Kind of.
that was an interesting
I
shirt.
woke up really late,
41.4.
and I
the
just
other
grabbed from my laundry basket, and I normally wouldn't be wearing this, but it's okay.
Yeah.
one. Or 3.8.
Okay, I'm lost. What did I doing?
The same thing?
I know I'm doing the same
Same
thing.
thing, but just plug in 8 rather than
Yeah.
0.
Did you get like 41.4?
Yep. Yeah.
Because which one do you
Yay,
get
I
rid
like
of?
these ones.
Do you get rid of 3?
You get rid of the
You
3.
get rid of 3.
Yep. And you're going to add the other one on the end.
Go back to 41.
4, 5. Okay, I need a thingy.
Okay, well that one's
Wait, will you
still
go back up to 17?
5. Thank you.
Will someone tell me what the last thingy is? My calculator's dumb and won't let me. It just goes 2
It's
square roots of 2.
41. Wait,
Oh,
which one?
hit the SD button.
I did.
Oh.
What'd you want?
The last
The 8.
square.
5.83.
Okay.
Okay, what do we have? 41.38.
Times 2 equals 41.38.
After we get this done, we
3?
don't have anything else left to do in trade for the rest of the year.
Josie, we're in Calc class.
Oh, I'm illiterate.
How?
Yes.
What did I say?
I don't know why that's so funny.
You're not illiterate.
I just read the numbers backwards, okay?
Okay.
That's dyslexic.
Dyslexia.
Oh man, we're on the back page. We only have like 6 problems left. That's so
Let's get her
exciting. So exciting. I tried to make 21 just a touch harder-ish, maybe.
Is it 8 the first one?
Uh.
Aw.
Oh wait,
I was thinking
no.
2.5.
Yes,
It is?
yes.
How is it 2.5?
No, it's what you said.
How?
Okay, so f of x looks something like this, right? Okay, from
It's 1 to 4.
4 to 8, it's negative 3. So let's say here is 4 and here is 8, right? And we're at negative 3, whatever that is, right? This is negative 3. That's the area, right? But if I go from here to here, it has a positive 5,
That means that.
right? So what does this have to be?
8.
Oh!
So that's 0.
In order for that to cancel out
I
to be,
should have drawn a graph.
That's 0 to 4, not 1 to 4.
it should be 0 to 4.
Okay.
I typoed. Sorry, there's no way of finding 0, 1 to 4. So this has to be 8.
Okay, and then 8
Yep.
to 4 of 5.
8 to 8 is 0.
Come on over. What you got?
8 to 4. Wait,
no,
what? 8 to 4.
I just wanted you
8 to 4 is
see
negative 3.
if I wanted you to see if you
Yeah.
can check these two.
It's the same thing though.
Sure.
Oh, that's
Which
times
table
5.
shows exponential behavior?
Negative
Okay,
15.
so here's the deal. I need a pen. Does anybody have an extra pencil I can
Yeah.
borrow?
Here you go.
3.
Pen?
Oh, sure.
But wait, is that the
Ah.
absolute
Oh,
value?
I
Is that
didn't
what those
catch it.
brackets
That
are?
was so
No,
sad.
The absolute
Okay.
value is straight line.
So when you're doing exponential, first of all, you want to make sure all your x's are going up by the same amount. So, and they are. This
'Cause
one's
they're
going up by
special.
1s, these are going up by 1s, these are going up by 2s, which is fine. These are going up by,
So it's positive for you?
Yeah, those
Yes.
are doubling.
Wait, what's C?
That's not exponential.
Okay, that's what I got.
That's what
Find the
we're.
indefinite integral. Oh boy.
So it'd be like
That's icky. Do we
we're
have
gonna
to?
like so this one
Alright,
what we'd figure out is that would be like 5, and then 5 to an exponent, so
yep,
5.
yep. So they have to, okay, they have to be going out by the same amount. So it's, D's already crossed off. We don't know what's not D. But here you're adding the same number each time. Adding the same number each, well, no, here you're not even adding the same number each time.
That's
Here you're adding 2, here you're adding, what are you
6.
doing? You're multiplying by 3? No, you're not even multiplying by 3. That doesn't make any sense. But the deal here is your y coordinates should be, like if you take 5 and divide by 1, 5 over 1 should be equal to 25 over 5, which should be equal to
we're supposed to be doing the
125
next
over 25. And if all of those are the
I don't
same,
want
your
to.
ratio is the same.
Okay.
So yeah, that's right. C is right. Okay?
This one I was so y equals 5x. The y